So good afternoon. I pulled out my failing timing chain tensioner, and you can read this right here what it is. Febi, made in Germany, $50, and it is garbage. And here is the new one, Mercedes-Benz original. There you go with the box. Made on January 1st, 2020. So that was a year ago, over a year and a half ago. We're gonna put her in. I'm gonna take a look inside the hole to see if it did any damage. And that's it. So this is what happens. You can see here, there's a hole blowing in there where there shouldn't be a hole in there, right there. It blew through it, and that is the oil pressure which builds up internally because that thing lives of oil. And this is what this looks like it here when you have it from Mercedes-Benz. The hole is in the correct spot. So this is how poor this Febi stuff is for $50 versus the Mercedes-Benz one. That's the bleed hole. The oil enters here into this through the gasket. You can see this, the gasket goes on like this. And you can see this, the oil enters here, goes then into this hole, and it comes out of this one here too. And if we check this here, you can see this. The compression is, it's uniform. And here the compression goes stronger, as deeper you go in, as harder it pushes. Alright, that's the update on it. Let me just show you. It sits right here. I'm going to peel the old gasket off. And we're going to feel in there and see if our guide rail is good. Which it is. Yep. Hard to see whether it is. So we're all good here. That was the update for today with the timing chain tensioner. Have a great evening.